everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have the Starbucks Barista Italia Digital Espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because the steamer was not working. So we just ended up replacing these holes that basically the shielding of the holes just came out and touched one of the thermal blocks, and it just basically blew up inside the machine. So we just made sure that this thing doesn't move. We pretty much put a protective case all around the hose to make sure it doesn't burn again. And yeah, let's test it out. Start moving shot of espresso. And now some water, so that's perfect for a shot of espresso. And now we're gonna test the hot water and then the steam. As you can see, nice steady stream of hot water coming out of the machine. And now steam.
Begins with a Z, I think.
Oh, so it's not?
That's in there.
As you can see now, the machine is steaming perfectly fine. Having excellent pressure coming out of the machine. No leaks or anything like that. Okay, we're gonna use hot water. It's gonna shoot a little bit because the thermal block is still hot. But that's the perfect way to cool it down in a way. And as you can see, nice steady stream coming out of the machine. And there you have it, Starbucks Barista Italia Digital working once again. So thank you for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.